ends of the earth, we lift our eyes to the holy hill where your glory shines. Ancient gates stand firm, truth never sways. Zion stands forever, formed by Yahweh. Righteousness flows like a river bright from your dwelling place of truth and light. Zion, Zion, mountain of Yahweh, city of promise, chosen and safe. Your word goes forth, your name we proclaim. Zion, the mountain of Yahweh reigns. Scattered and broken, yet not forgotten. Lost tribes cry out from every nation, from north and south. They hear your call back to Zion, restoring all. Covenant sure, your word stands true. What you have spoken, you will do. Zion, Zion, mountain of Yahweh, city of promise, chosen and safe. Your word goes forth, your name we proclaim. Zion, the mountain of Yahweh reigns. The tribes return with songs of joy, tears turn to praise, hearts made whole. Yahshua reigns on Zion's throne, King of Israel, forever known. Zion, Zion, mountain of Yahweh, gathering home what was cast away. The King has come, his rule remains. Yahshua reigns on Zion. He reigns. From Zion shines salvation's flame. All the earth will know Yahweh's name. In the beginning, a garden pure, where heaven and earth were one. The first Adam walked in innocence, till sin had entered and the fall begun. One choice was made, the gates were closed. Eden was lost, man sent away. The ground was cursed, the light grew dim. Dust and sorrow filled the day. What Adam lost, Yahshua restored. What sin destroyed, His love renewed. The curse is broken, the way is open. All things healed, all made new. From the tree of life, mercy flows. Death defeated by His reign. The Garden of Eden lives again through Yahshua. The second Adam's name. The first Adam failed where tested once. Disobedience brought the fall. But the second Adam stood in truth. Perfect obedience answered all. Where death began through one man's sin, life now reigns through Yahshua's blood. He crushed the serpent, reclaimed the land, and watered Eden with His love. What Adam lost, Yahshua restored. What was broken, He made whole. Exile ended, access given, life returned to every soul. Rivers of healing rise again. Nations walk within His land. The Garden of Eden lives again under Yahshua's righteous might. No more curse, no more shame, no more distance from His face. We will walk with Him once more in holiness and perfect peace. From dust to glory, death to life. From the tree unto the throne, Eden restored, creation hing in Yahshua alone. What Adam lost, Yahshua restored. The second Adam reigns as king. Tree of life stands in the land. Healing leaves for everything. Heaven and earth are one again. All things gathered in His name. The Garden of Eden is restored forever through Yahshua's reign. Come, Yahshua, restore all things. Let Eden rise. again. Once Yahweh brought his people out through mighty hand and outstretched arm. The sea divided, chains were broken. Israel walked through walls of calm. But scattered far among the nations, exiled by sin and unbelief, yet Yahweh spoke a latter promise, a greater exodus to be. There is a highway of holiness. Yahweh has prepared the way. The redeemed of Israel shall walk on it, coming home in Yahshua's name. No lying there, no fear, no chain. The ransom return with song. Zion awaits her children's feet as Yahweh leads them home. In deserts dry, a road is rising. Rivers flow where none have been. Crooked paths are made straight again. The unclean washed, made new within. Not by might, not by horses' strength, but by the Spirit, truth and light. Yahshua walks before his people, the shepherd guiding day and night. There is a highway of holiness, raised above the shifting sand. Israel walks with clean hands and hearts, led by Yahweh's faithful hand. Everlasting joy upon their heads, sorrow and sighing flee. The kingdom comes, the exiles arise in holy unity. From north and south, from east and west, he gathers his chosen ones. From the islands far, the coastlands wait for what Yahweh has begun. This is the second Exodus call, greater than the first of all. Not from Egypt, but from the world, into Zion's gates of gold. The Torah written on the heart, the covenant renewed again. One king reigns over all the tribes, Yahshua, the Son of Man. No more division, no more shame. Ephraim and Judah one on the highway of holiness. Yahweh's will on earth is done. Yahweh brings his people home. See the nations gather round, Jerusalem will stand, mountains shake, the city cries, but Yahweh holds her hand. Yeshua comes in glory bright, his feet upon the Mount of Olives. Fear will flee, the earth will quake, his covenant fulfills. The day of Yahweh comes, the earth will shine his light. All nations see his throne, Jerusalem inside. The Elohim shall reign forever, his name exalted high. Yahshua, King of kings, the King who will not die. Living waters flowing free from Jerusalem arise. Half to east, half to west, streams of life, no more lies. Every tongue shall know his name, every heart shall bow. Yahweh will be their king, his kingdom starts right now. Hine yom Yahweh ba b'koach uvzot gedula, v'chol ha'amim ya'amodu al Yerushalayim. Raglei Yahshua ya'alu al har hazetim, va'aretz tirash v'ha'am yismach. Mayim chayizru mi Yerushalayim lechol haaretz, kol ha'amim yashuvu lerishut Yahweh bet yom kadosh u'kshuto melechem l'olam. Hallelujah, Yahshua hamelech netzach v'ad.